Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today I'll talk about why you shouldn't wear your sling bag across your shoulder like this when you're traveling. So what happens, you're allowed to carry one carry-on and one personal item on the airline. And if you're traveling with a sling bag and if you're carrying like this way across your shoulder, then the airline can consider it as a personal item. So basically if you have two other bags, then they might charge you for extra baggage, or they might ask you to check one bag. So what you can do, instead of wearing this way, you can just wear it like a money belt bag. So for example, let me show you quickly. So if you wear it this way, like right here, then this is considered as a item of your attire, or like part of your dress. So they wouldn't consider this as a personal item. So when you're traveling, you should always wear your sling bag this way, especially before going to the airline counter. So that way they cannot consider this as a personal item. But what happened, I usually wear it like this because I travel with usually only one carry-on, and I never had any issue. They didn't consider this as a separate item. But last time I was going to the Philippines on Eva Air, and I was wearing it this way across the shoulder. And then the person at the counter counted this as a personal item. I didn't have to say anything because I had just one item, so whether they count it as a personal item or not, it doesn't matter. But if you have a separate personal item, that would be problematic at that at those situations. So it's advised that you shouldn't wear a sling bag, especially if you have two items, one personal item and one carry-on when you're traveling. So always wear it as a money bag on your waist this way. So for more travel tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.